Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter Rational Numbers exercise 1.1 fourth problem. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Fourth problem. There are two numbers, rational numbers. Multiply 2 by 11 with which number? The reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. 5 by 14 reciprocal of 5 by 14. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 14? 14 by 5. And this minus belongs to same as it is, minus 14 by 5. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Minus 5 by 14 reciprocal is minus 14 by 5. Now, for multiplication of fractions and division of fractions, there is no need LCM or to convert same fraction as like fractions. We can multiply direct numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 14 2s are 28, 11 5s are 55. Here plus into minus, minus 28 by 55. Now second one means here fifth problem. Which properties can be used in computing? There is a problem. 2 by 5 into 5, 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. Given some numbers and asked which properties can be used in computing. First, this is A into B into C. Associative property under multiplication. Okay. Then next 1 by 5 into 5. First multiplicative associative property. Okay. Next 1 by 5 into 5 means which property? Multiplicative inverse property. 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6, this whole one term. 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11, this is one term. Here 5 get cancelled, 3 and 3 get cancelled. This is which property? Multiplicative inverse property. Now remaining 2 into 7 by 6 plus 1 into 4 by 11. Here before cancellation 2 by 5 into 5, remaining there 1. 1 into any number into 1 gives the same number. So A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. This is which property? Multiplicative identity property. Multiplicative identity property. Now 2 into 7 by 6 plus 1 into 4 by 11 or 4 by 11. 2 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6. Here 7 by 3 plus 4 by 11. Now which property? A belongs to rational number, B belongs to rational number, then A plus B also belongs to rational number. Which property? Closure property under addition. How we add? See, how we add two fractions. First check them. They are like fractions or not. These two are unlike fractions. These two are unlike fractions. First change them, convert them as like fractions. Which process? How we can convert these two unlike fractions into like fractions? In that, first one is change their denominators as the same denominator. Means first know what is the LCM of 3 and 11. 3 prime number, 11 prime number. So prime number LCM is always their product. Like numbers are called co-primes. Which two numbers common factor as 1? They are called co-primes. For co-primes just we multiply to find the LCM. 11 3s are 33. Now change these 3 as 33. So we needed into 11. 3 11s are 33. Now I multiplied a denominator with 11. Then you multiply numerator also with 11. 11 sevens are 77 plus. Now you convert this 11 as a denominator 33. 11 3s are 33. I multiplied denominator with 3. Then automatically we need to multiply numerator also with 3. 4 3s are 12. Now I converted two unlike fractions into like fractions. Then for like fractions we can add directly their denominators. 77 plus 12. 70, 80, 87, 89. 89 by 33. Okay, this is the fifth problem. Then next sixth problem. Verify the following. Sixth problem. Verify the following. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. Observe carefully. 5 by 4, 5 by 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Left hand side, right hand side, same rational numbers. A plus B of plus C, A plus of B plus C. So this is associative property under addition in rational numbers. Is it right or wrong? We can check through the simplification. 4 and 2 LCM is 4. No denominator same, so write 5. Change these two as denominator 4. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1 is 2 minus 2 plus minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 4 plus. Both are like fractions, so we can add directly. Okay, after that 5 plus minus 2 plus into minus minus. 5 minus 2, 3 by 4. Now this plus into minus minus. 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 4 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 by 2. Okay, now 4 comma 2 LCM 4, same denominator, so write same numerator 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 is equal to 4 and 2, their LCM is 4, so write same as it is 5. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are minus 8. Now 3 minus 6 minus 3 by 4, 5 plus minus 8 minus 3 by 4. We got same LHS and RHS. So asked to verify the following. We verified, we got the same answer. So these two are associative property under addition in rational numbers. Now seventh one. Evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 after rearrangement. When we observe these rational numbers, there are 5 5 two denominators, 3 3 two denominators. So first arrange like fractions at one side. 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3. For like fractions, we can add them directly. 5 5 same. 3 plus minus 2 means 1. The difference of 3 and 2 1. Big number 3. So big number contain positive symbol. So positive. Plus 3 3 same. 7 minus 2. The difference of 7 and 2 5. Now 1 by 5 plus 5 by 3. These two fractions are unlike fractions. Many of the students, how they add fractions 5 plus 1 6 by 5 plus 3 8. In this way many students are doing the mistake. This is wrong. These two are unlike fractions. Which fractions denominators are different, they called unlike fractions. For unlike fractions we can't add them directly, so first change them into like fractions. To change like fractions, first convert these two denominators as the same denominator, means find the LCM of the denominators. Here what are the denominators? 5 comma 3. These two are co-primes, means these two numbers common factor is only 1. which numbers common factor as 1, they are called co-primes. For co-primes, LCM is their product. So 5 3s are 15. Their LCM is what? 15. Now change this 5 as 15. Means write equivalent fraction 1 by 5 equivalent fraction as denominator 15. Which number needed to change 5 as 15? 5 3s are 15. If you multiply with denominator, then you must need to multiply numerator also. 5 3s are 15. 3 1 is 3. Now 3 5s are 15. 5 5s are 25. 1 by 5 and 3 by 15 are equivalent fractions. 5 by 3 and 25 by 15 also equivalent fractions. Now again doubt, what is mean by equivalent fractions? Numbers are different but their value is same. They are called equivalent fractions. Now these two are we converted into like fractions. Their denominator is 15. We can add the numerators directly. 3 plus 25, 28 by 15. Okay, seventh one completed. Now next, eighth problem. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Here many students had one more doubt. Eighth section, first one, 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Many students have their doubt. Which number subtract from which number? Some students they do like this, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Some students do like this, 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Between these two, which method is correct? Understanding what asked the question is important. Subtract 3 by 4. This number subtract from which number? From 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. This is the correct way. Now subtraction for two fractions, two rational numbers. These two fractions are unlike fractions. First change them as like fractions. Take denominators 3, 4. Consecutive numbers, also co-primes. All prime numbers co-primes to each other. Consecutive numbers also co-primes to each other. Which numbers common factor as 1? They are also called co-primes. For co-primes, LCM is their product. 3 4s are 12. Now 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 1 is 4 minus 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Now we can subtract directly. 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5 by 12. This is the answer. Now next, second one. Subtract minus 32 by 13 from 2. One rational number, another one is natural number, whole number, integer, rational number. These two we can say natural, whole, integer, rational number. Okay. You subtract this rational number from this number 2. Then 2 minus half minus 32 by 13. 2 minus into minus plus 32 by 13. What is the denominator for 2? For any number, 0 also, denominator is always 1. If there is no number in the denominator place, we can write 1 as denominator. Now 1 comma 13 LCM is 13. 1 13 is 13. 13 2s are 26 plus 13 13 same. So write 32. 3 tens, 2 tens, 3 to 5 tens, 56 to 58 by 13. This is the answer for second one. Next, third problem. Minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. Minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. So minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 7 is equal to minus 4 by 7. Minus into minus plus 7. There is no number in the denominator place. So we can write 1. 7 gamma 1 LCM is 7, 7 7 same, so write minus 4 as it is numerator, plus 1 7 is 7, 7 sevens are 49. Now the difference of 49 and 4, 45 by 7. Okay, now next ninth problem. What numbers should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? What number should be added to minus 5 by 8? What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? Let B the number is x. Now minus 5 by 8 plus x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now take x as a subject, means whatever numbers having with x send is equal that side. This minus 5 by 8 and x relation is addition. Send this number is equal that side, means it will change as subtraction, minus of minus 5 by 8. Now x is equal to minus 3 by 2, minus into minus plus 5 by 8. Now another 2 comma 8. What is the LCM of 2 comma 8? 2 even number, 8 even number. Both are even numbers and both are the multiples of 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 4s are 8. Now we can write LCM is which is the biggest number, that is the LCM. These are some tricks to find the LCM easily. You observe two numbers. These two numbers, small number is 2 and 8. These two are in the small number table, means 2 table. 2 also is a multiple of 2, 8 also is a multiple of 2. At that time LCM is the big number. Okay, now 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, plus 8 8 same, right? Same 8 8, their denominators are 8, so we can add numerators directly. 12 and 5 difference is minus 7 by 8. Now question, what number minus 7 by 8 number when you add to minus 5 by 8 we can get minus 3 by 2. Okay, now next 10th problem. The sum of two rational numbers, sum of two rational numbers is 8 if one of the how like is the problem, same as it is I am writing here. One of the number is minus 5 by 6. Find the other number is equal to question mark. We don't know what is the other number. Then let be the other number is x. Now sum of two rational numbers is 8. Minus 5 by 6 plus x is equal to 8. Now take x as a subject, then send this 5 by 6 is equal to that side. Then minus of minus 5 by 6, x is equal to minus into minus plus 5 by 6. 1 comma 6 LCM is 6. 1 6 are 6, 6 8 are 48 plus 5. X is equal to 53 by 6. Okay, 10th problem also completed. Now next 11th problem. Is subtraction associative in rational numbers? Explain with an example. As we know that subtraction in associative property under subtraction not satisfied for any set of numbers in all cases. Okay, let this one is not satisfied, this is confirmed. We must ask, we show with an example. Take 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. take three rational numbers. Now 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4. What is the associative property? First do the operation for two numbers, then last number. First do the operation for last two numbers and then with the first number. Okay, now both are like fractions. We can take any rational number. For our easy sake, I taken all are like fractions. 3 minus 2 how much? 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 minus 4. 2 minus 1, 1 by 4. Now plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 get cancelled. We got the 0. 4, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 4. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 0 is equal to 1 by 2. Is it true? No, this is false. So associative property not okay. 0 is not equal to 1 by 2. With this we can say that associative property not satisfied under subtraction in rational numbers. Now next 12th one, minus of minus x is equal to x. Is it true? Because of minus into minus plus x is equal to x. First one, x is equal to 2 by 15. Substitute x is equal to 2 by 15. Minus of minus 2 by 15 is equal to minus into minus plus. Same as it is, we get 2 by 15. Now second one, x is equal to minus 13 by 17. Minus of minus, these two minus contained in the question. Minus this minus given in the problem. Minus 13 by 17. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 13 by 17. Now 13th one, first question. What is the first question? The set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. In the additive identity means a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. A belongs to maybe natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. But 0 belongs to whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. 0 not in a natural number. So first one answer is natural numbers. Now second one, the rational number that does not have any reciprocal. 0 does not have any reciprocal. And the third one is the reciprocal of negative rational number is, suppose minus p by q is a negative rational number, its reciprocal q by p minus q by p also a negative rational number. I hope you understood this exercise. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends and family members. Thank you so much.